Nursery/pre-K/LKG sight words. Age 3 to 4.
No, yes, and, at, off, do, can, see, big, red, run, come, here, look.
No, I don't want more candy. Look at the picture of the child. We can see he is saying no because he doesn't want more candy. Yes, I like ice cream. Look at the picture, the child is smiling and saying yes because he likes ice cream. I have an apple and a banana. Look at the two fruits. We use the word and to join apple and banana. I am at the park. Look at the picture. The child is playing at the park. This is a cup of milk. Look at the cup. It is full of milk. Do you like to play? Look at the picture. The child is asking a question. Do you like to play? I can jump high. Look at the picture, the child is jumping. He is showing he can jump high. I see a bird. Look at the picture, the child is looking at the sky. He says, I see a bird. The elephant is big. Look at the picture of the elephant and the cat. We can compare them. The elephant is big and the cat is small. The apple is red. Look at the apple. Its color is red. I run fast. Look at the picture. The child is moving quickly. She says, I run fast. Come to me. Look at the picture. The child comes with her parents to school. The word come means to move closer or join someone. I am here. Look at the picture. The child is raising a hand and saying, I am here. Look at the stars. The child is pointing to the sky and saying, look at the stars. Follow for more. Thank you. Please subscribe.